Mm-hmm. I know, it's so good. And this is the strawberry, wild strawberry. We pick it already. But the broccoli is so good. Just so tasteful. It's just different taste. Organic. Where's Daddy? I thought they're coming. Yeah, we're away from Basing City. We like it here. No GMO, yeah. Got that right. It's so good. Oo, princess, pag masipag, maraming blessing. Kahit ano na dyan, wag lang mapili. Yung iba kasi mapili. Ako, hindi ako mapili kahit dati dyan sa Pilipinas. Basta may trabaho. Yeah, lalong lalapit ang blessing. Basta go, go. So we're waiting for my kids. They went upstairs. They went for four-wheeling. Tagal ni Jelana. Okay, thank you, Journey. You have a good night. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, good night, Journey. It's 8 here. Alaska time, so 8, 9, 10, 11. It's 11 p.m. there. Okay, good night. Where are they? You didn't see them? Ang tagal naman nila, boy. Kulit eh, no? Tagal ah. Ayan. So dito. Thank you for subscribing. Ajit Gaming. Thank you. Oh. Kunin ko. This is how you do it. Kunin ko na buhayin na habang umulan. Ayan guys. Mag-sauna kami. Every night we do sauna ngayon. Because it's really cold. Sauna is, oh, wow. So, ito. So, let's clean this up while waiting. Okay, there are flowers coming up. Oh my goodness. We need the sun. We need the sun, guys. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, see more. Ayan. Nandiyan na si Jelana. Parang ayan na nga sila.